On January 7th, I posted this view of the MSC Poesia stuck on the reef off Grand Bahama. On the 9th, I posted images of the bottom and included a warning about bottom paint and the future danger to the reef of this situation when, not if, the weather deteriorated. This was the view today. Strong winds are causing the waves to build. At this part of the day, the waves had reached 4 feet, but they are climbing and may get to 6 or 8 feet tonight. The paint chips are on the move. Here is the label from a typical can of bottom paint. Bottom paint contains copper, tin, both toxic. To make sure that is what we were dealing with, I tested a sample of paint chips I collected from the site with a destructive flame test. Copper compounds add a distinct green color to flame, and there it is, bottom paint. Measuring the thickness of the paint chips, I get an average of about 0.032 meters. Doing the math on the Poesia, 293 meters long times 32 meters wide, divided by 2 because it's not a square, equals about 150 cubic meters of toxic waste, as a very rough and probably slightly overstated estimate. Here is the toxicology warning on one of the ingredients in bottom paint. Let me read the label on the can of bottom paint. Remember, I am not saying this is the exact paint formerly on the Poesia. This is a warning on a typical bottom paint. The label reads, "This pesticide is toxic to fish. Do not allow chips and dust generated during paint removal to enter water." When the paint starts to move, the toxic copper will start to move below the sand surface because it is about twice as dense as the local sand. The local sand is a fairly thin layer over bedrock, so this poison will only get deep enough to be impossible to remove without first removing all the sand, but will still be available to kill sea life. Other toxins included in bottom paint may be more or less dense. This is Fred Reiger. Please click the like button, share with your friends, subscribe, or join the discussion in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.